Your girl is starving, okay? It's like 8 something right now, and I'm ready to eat. So I'm gonna run the tacos back. I got the taco pack, I got the sauce, I got everything I need to make my tacos. Literally everything. So it's gonna be fire this time. It's gonna be real fire. But before I do that, I have to wash these dishes. Your girl has been overworking herself, so I've been very, very tired. That's why my sink looks like this. I promise you, there's barely any dishes in my sink because I always clean up after myself. But yeah, I just wasn't feeling it. So I'm about to go ahead and clean them right now, and then I'm gonna start making my food so I can eat. This is what my meat is looking like. It smells so good, y'all. My lettuce might look a little funny because my fridge gets extremely cold, so it was frozen. So it may look a little funny. Just ignore it. It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna come in the camera, y'all. My hair is a mess. That's why we're taking it out. So just, don't talk about me. It looks so crazy. I'm sad to see these babies go, but I look crazy now. I don't feel like doing my hair. I really don't. These lasted a good month. Thanks, guys. No, I have nothing to watch. Go back to my moving in vlog or my studio apartment tour and see how fresh my braids look. I have the best braider, honestly. They just look this bad because I stopped putting my headscarf on, but it's time to let these babies go. I'm heartbroken right now because I literally do not have the time to be doing my hair every day. I don't know if y'all watch Netflix, but if y'all do, have y'all watched The Manifest yet? Or You? I was just on Instagram and I saw that they're gonna have a 20 episode season. That's gonna be the final season for Manifest. And then they did like I don't know if y'all can see what this is what they showed. I hope it's in focus. I don't know. But yeah, they did like a little teaser for You. Those are like my two favorite shows. Those, and I like Outer Banks. There's a couple. Matter of fact, it's not even a couple. There's a lot of shows that I like on Netflix. I love Netflix. Like, I love the series that they put up there. But if you haven't checked out You or Manifest, make sure you watch those. They're really, really good. So my hair is out now. It is itching like crazy. It's so dirty. It stinks. It's gunky. Like, it's just a mess. But back to doing this every day, or at least when I go out. And I gotta look decent on camera, so back to doing my hair until I get it done again. Love that for me. I don't know if y'all can hear me because of this air, but your girl is outside right now. It is 2:02. Bro, where I live at now, literally to like get to everything, like all the stores and stuff, you have to go down this long street. It's always busy. There's always an accident. It's always something going on, bro. I've literally been driving down this street for probably like 10 minutes now. It don't even take that long to get to where I had to go. I'm going to the post office. That's my first stop. Bro, like, literally the stopping and going, it's not like literally just continue. And I haven't seen an accident yet, so they're just going slow for what reason? For nothing? Like, it's crazy. It's always something. These people cannot drive, bro. Don't hit my car. You better watch what you're doing. You gonna let me go? Ooh, I just ran over some rocks. Get back over. Alright. They ain't even doing nothing. Like, literally. I hope I did not mess up my tire. After I leave the post office, I'm gonna go to the bank and take out the money for my car insurance. And then I'm gonna go to my grandma's house. My aunt had made some lasagna, so I have to go pick that up. And I'm dropping off my clothes, y'all. I'm not paying to go to no laundromat. We do have a laundromat out where I live, but I'm not spending any extra money when I don't have to. My grandma doesn't mind me coming back to the house to wash my clothes, so I'm gonna drop my clothes off there, and she's gonna wash them for me, and I'll pick them up probably sometime next week. I have to go to the store. I'm literally out of water, and that's not like me. I always stay stocked up with water, so I have to go back to being stocked up on water, especially with like the times and the stuff that's going on out here now. You never know like what may happen, so it's best to be stocked up on everything, honestly. So yeah, I gotta get my water back up. How I come to my grandma's house, right, and she not even here. Like, hopefully when I move, the next apartment that I have a wash and dry. That's something that I really wanted in my place, but I decided, you know, it's okay that I don't have it. But I definitely want it in my next place, so that I don't have to like lug my clothes out. That's literally all I have. It's not a lot. It's not. I guess I can go ahead and start it, and then I'm out, and she'll finish the rest for me. My grandma is literally the sweetest, okay? Like, I literally have the best grandma in the world, honestly, okay? Because if it was anybody else, they would not be washing my clothes for me. She's sweet. But yeah, about to do that, and then we're going to the store. So I'm in Food Line right now. This is what I have so far. I got 3 cases of water and some strawberries and blueberries for my parfaits. Now I'm looking for some cookies. And then I think I'm gonna be out of here. I don't need anything else. I'm in Dollar Tree now. I got some work-related stuff. And I finally picked up a coffee cup. I haven't used my Keurig yet because I didn't have a coffee cup. So this is everything that I picked up at Dollar Tree today. So cute. I got 2 pencil holders. So cute. Needed some more hair ties. Then some house stuff. I'm literally out of spoons, so I had to re-up on those for like my lip gloss and lip scrub mixing. I am gonna get some, what they called, popsicle sticks. I like to use those. I find that those are easier to mix the lip gloss and everything, so I'm gonna get some of those whenever I go to Michael's. I tried to find them at Dollar Tree, but they didn't have any, and I don't feel like ordering them offline, so whenever I go to the store, I'm gonna get some more. Mini haul. This is it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here. Yura came home, got the video edited, so my entrepreneur vlog is up. Yeah, your girl, look, I be working, I'm telling you. It's a lot uploading 2 videos a week. I never would have thought I'd be so like just stressed out. It's a lot, but I get it done. So I'm about to go ahead and start editing this vlog. I don't know if this one will be up first or the clothing haul, but make sure you watch the clothing haul. Support the sponsored content, okay? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.